Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create filter in Excel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be proficient in isolating specific data within a table effectively. Let's get started. To grasp how to set up a filter in Excel, we'll use this sample table as our example. The initial step when employing the filtering function in a table is to designate the headers representing the columns you intend to filter. Let's pick the headers month, days, and season now. Navigate to the Data tab and locate the Sort and Filter group. Then select the Filter option. This action will prompt Excel to generate drop-down arrows in the cells that correspond to the selected column headers. You can utilize these buttons to filter the information you desire in each column. Now let's take the next step and experiment with the filter we've just created. For instance, let's say we want to filter out only the months of spring. Click on the drop-down arrow in the season column. All the options are pre-selected. Deselect all options by clicking Select All. Now tick the box next to Spring, the option we wish to filter. Confirm with OK, and you'll observe that only the spring ones are now visible in the table. If you observe the row numbers, you'll notice that the rows with data for other ones haven't been deleted. They're simply concealed. Let's proceed. Suppose you need to perform further filtering, like isolating months with only 31 days. The procedure will be familiar to you. Click on the drop-down arrow in the Days column, Select All, and after deselecting all options, check the box for the months with 31 days, specifically 31. Click OK, and there you have it. We've used the filter to display only those months with 31 days. Simple, isn't it? You can apply these steps to filter data in any table as you need it. To learn how to remove the filter from the table, watch our next video tutorial. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.